Yeah, it's right here. Alright, right here. So basically right here, guys, so. That's it? No guards or anything? So this is the easiest one then, if that's how it is. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Literally, this is it. Sinister Strip is easier than the other ones we've faced. So yeah, 2 locations, guys. 2 locations. Either Battlewoods, you're gonna fight with bosses there, or Sinister Strip, there's no boss there, or no guards there, so. Yep. Alright, there we go. Let me see if I got that. No, I didn't get it.